In this video, I will show you how to open a Fifth Third bank account. To do this, just go to their website, and that's 53.com, and from there click on Open an Account. Now from there, if you're new and you want to create a bank account with them, from here in the left tab, just enter your email and zip code, and click Get Started. From here is what you will need, so your social security number, a mobile phone with a camera, and a driver's license or state ID. So get all of this and click I'm ready. From there, to verify your identity, first enter your phone number right here, then you will receive a text message that includes a link. Tap the link and follow the instructions, and basically what it will have you do is scan a ID document, so the driver's license or state ID, so that they know that it is actually you. And after doing that, you will then need to enter a few more details and just go through these steps, and then you will have successfully opened a Fifth Third bank account. You can then go to their website, so again 53.com, and from there in the top right, click login, set it to either online or commercial banking, whichever one you create an account with, just so you can also go to business and create your account there. And then here enter your user ID and password, and after you create your bank account, you will get your user ID, so just enter that here and then your password as well, and then click login. Now you can also download it on the App Store or Google Play Store in order to also use it on your phone. So now you know how to open a Fifth Third bank account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.